Hello, everybody. Come on in. Once again, this is Caldera Creative Creations. I make wreaths for holidays, and we got a simple one going on with you today. Once again, welcome. We're working with the grapevine wreath. Got some poinsettias. We got this beauty. We got some other things in greenery and pine cones. Let's get started. First things first, let's put this pine cone. Slow down. This poinsettia in. How's everybody out there in TV land? Hope everything is jolly and fine. It's the holidays. Let's make it through it. Did it good. Wow, let's just get down in this wreath. Let's put everything in and look at that. How beautiful it is. And remember to step back and visualize. Okay, we're going to get this thing right up in here. Get some this beauty. Okay, let's see what's going on over here. Let's get this right here. Ay. Okay, woo, look at it. Got some more greenery. Hey, look at that. What a beauty. Get some berries. Let's move that one down a little. Let's get a pine cone and got that there. Let me see. I think we need some more greenery. No, wrong way. What am I doing, Mama? Okay, let's put this out right here. And by Georgia, I think we got it. Then we got this ribbon, which I made. Just a simple tie the shoe ribbon. I put a little bit of, what do you call it, pipe cleaner in the back. And we're just going to tighten this. And ba-bam, ba-bam, ba-bam. Now, how beautiful is that, everybody? Let me just step back and visualize with you guys. Oh my, look at how beautiful. Shall I pin that up to visualize it? We got it right there. We got it right there. Once again, thanks for coming to my channel. Have a happy holiday. Be safe. Be jolly. Let's just enjoy this time. Once again, thanks for coming to my channel and see ya. If you got any inspiration or ideas, you could subscribe. Thank you and Merry Christmas from Caldera Creative Creations.